McDonald's is rolling out its new dollar menu today, triggering a new price war. Items include the sausage burrito, McChicken, the cheeseburger, and any size soft drink. There's also going to be $2 and $3 options. As expected, the competition responding. Yesterday, Wendy's announced an expanded $4 for $4 value menu. And then Taco Bell says it plans to sell a new item. Get ready for this one, folks. Nacho fries for $1. That starts on January 25th. Shares of McDonald's up about 44% from just a year ago, Maria.